Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to capitalize in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here are my document with some small text. Now I make it capitalized text. At first I have to select this text to select this type tool and press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard to select those all. Now go to type option. Now you can see here are change case option. Now I make it uppercase. Now you can see I do capitalize in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for